This is the Mokwheel Slate, Mokwheel's first and currently only foldable electric bike. And this is my review. It was delivered in this box, and this is what it looks like right out of the box. After taking off all of the packaging material, I can see it arrived in great shape. Mokwheel really does take great care in shipping their products. Looks like I can put it together now. Mokwheel has already created a great how-to video. It's under 3 minutes long, and it is linked in the description box. And any tools you may need to assemble this is already provided by Mokwheel. Step 1 was to set up and align the handlebars. Step 2 was super easy. Insert the seat. Step 3 was to flip it over and put on the front wheel. And the last bit of assembly was to put on the pedals, the front fender with light, which was probably the most challenging thing of this whole assembly, and then this very unique display, which I'll talk about more in a little bit. And that was it. Pretty easy. And now that it's all together, let's test this baby out, starting with showing you how to fold it up. Pretty much a 3-step process. A quick release there for the handlebars, and then there's a quick release here that you release and then you just fold it. So release, release, fold. But I already have a couple of Rick's tricks for you before you try to fold it. I would move the handlebar as low as it can go, and I would move the seat as low as it could go before you try to fold it. And here's the main tip. This bike weighs about 65 pounds. 10 pounds of that is the battery. Take the battery out before you fold it up. That way when you lift it in your car, it's 10 pounds lighter. Just undo it, boom. There you go. Now that we've done that, a quick release of the handlebar. Folds down, just like that. We're going to release this, and then we're just going to fold it. Ta-da! Now the Mokwheel Slate is ready to go anywhere. Fun fact. This is what I have to do for my other bikes. I had to buy a hitch right down there, and I had to buy the actual bike rack. But not the case with the foldable Slate. Alright, now that we have Nikki with us, let's take this e-bike to a place we've never ridden before, which is the bike trail by Lake Minneola in downtown Clermont. And now it's time to unfold the Mokwheel Slate, test it out. As I'm riding it, I'll give you some more specs and details about it. I do want to point out under the frame, they have a little foot for the rest when it's folded. It. Put in the battery. The battery is 48 volts, 15 amps, which should provide decent range for us. It takes about 5 hours to charge this from empty to full. Mokwheel says the range is up to 65 miles on a fully charged battery. Of course, that's going to depend on conditions, the weight of the rider, etc., etc. Top speed, 25 miles per hour. The payload capacity, which is you and anything you're carrying, is 350 pounds. The motor on this baby is located in the rear wheel, and it's a 500 watt brushless motor.
So, how to climb the hill?
It climbs very well with the throttle. I think it climbs better with pedal assist 5.
Okay.
I think that's been my experience with pretty much all e-bikes. Pedal assist 5, get you up that hill. The throttle's good too.
Yeah.
Beautiful 3-inch brown wall tires with a street-friendly tread pattern. The Mokwheel Slate has brake lights and turning signals. I have the platinum colored Slate, but it also comes in denim blue and jungle camo. The back rack comes with the bike. There is free shipping on all online orders, a 15-day return policy on all Mokwheel bikes, and it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Finally, your turn, Nikki. Let me go over the controls with you, or the handlebars. The ergonomically designed hand grips. Always like those with Mokwheel. This little bubble piece is comfortable. So you have brakes here. Also on the left is your throttle and your controls. On and off, headlight, your blinkers, and if you want to get into your settings, it'd be through this. The right side of the handlebar has your gear shifter. Up and down, or reverse that, whichever way it is. Also a brake and a little bell. The center display is going to show you the battery power you have remaining, what pedal assist you're on, how fast you're going, trip information and stuff like that. But the cool thing about this display, it's detachable, so the bike will not run with electricity without this display. So sort of almost an anti-theft device. I now have the handlebars and the seat adjusted for Nikki. This bike fits, I think, someone as short as like 5 feet tall.
Okay.
And you're over that limit, Nikki.
I'm 5'4".
Oh yeah, get your story straight there. You almost lied, said 5'5".
Almost. I was 5'5".
And
5'4", yeah.
and you see it fits me pretty well too. I'm 6'2", 240 pound, and you know, it can handle me as well. So that's kind of your range, I think, 5 feet to like 6'2", 6'3".
Nice.
But it's all set for you, and you're all trained up.
Yes.
Get to riding.
Okay, let's go.
We're pausing for a moment to come out on this dock. This is a location where obviously we can e-bike, but then we have water sports like kayaking, supboard, you can rent jet skis, there's a beach over there for the lake, and the salt shack. A lot of people just pull up in their boat and go to the restaurant, or their supboard or kayak. Don't you think, Nikki, a fun full day of Mokwheels and kayaking and supboarding?
I would love it. It sounds like a perfect day.
All right, maybe I rent a boat too, or,
Nice.
or a jet ski.
A jet ski. Mm-hmm.
Fun stuff to come. Couple of questions for you, Nikki.
Okay.
First, how do you like e-biking by the lake?
Oh, stunning. So beautiful. Best way to go. The nice little breeze coming off the water is great. Yeah. It's beautiful around here.
First time we've been here. I am going to do a video about this little bike path and downtown Clermont for the road trip video. But that's to come when the weather's cooler. Now, what's your first impressions of the Slate?
Great handling, nice power for each pedal assist. As I was going up the first hill there, I did power up to like a level 3 or 4, which was nice. I wasn't breaking a sweat, let's say, getting up that hill.
Running up that hill.
I know, right? Braking is nice with having, you know, both front and rear braking. And I would say that when I did like a turn, like so I had to do like a 180 turn, it turned really, really nicely. Like it wasn't like I had to have a huge circumference to get the bike turned around. So that was really nice. Because
you're used to like the 4-inch really fat tires.
Yes, yeah. That's
on your Scoria.
Yeah, my Scoria has the 4-inch tire, so it takes a little bit more of a, you know, a radius to kind of get around. I guess, is that the right term? Anyway, so, but this one turns really, really nice. Okay. So it's good, yeah.
Also having the 3-inch tire versus like the 4-inch, it does make it a little lighter.
It does, it does.
I thought of another cool place to test out the Mokwheel Slate. So let's break it down, fold it up, take it over there.
All right, break it down.
First, let's remove 10 pounds.
I agree. Fits nice and easy in there. Good stuff. Don't forget the battery.
Right on. Our new neighborhood has, I'm going to call this a pond. I think it's too small to be a lake, but this body of water here with all these paths around it of different material, and we have some hills, and it's just pretty. So yeah, this is a good place to test out the Mokwheel Slate.
All right, so what'd you think?
That was a lot of fun. There's a lot of gravel, there's some sand, there's some mud, there's hills, it's curvy. This is fun. And it performed well considering, I would say this is more of a commuter e-bike.
Exactly.
Than like a off-roading one.
Yeah.
But it, you know, because it has the like street tread tires.
Right.
Not the knobbies. But it still handled pretty well in all this different type of surfaces here. It's really fun.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a shot now.
Okay, don't go up this hill here.
No, I'm not gonna go up the steep part.
That's the advanced course. You take it a little easier, lady.
All right, I'll take the baby course, the bunny hill.
I've sent her to the top of that hill there. Definitely, I mean, the throttle can handle that hill, but to me, to go up some hills, you want pedal assist 5, in my opinion. It's just, it gets up there so much easier on that level. Plus, you're probably using less battery power. Oh, here she comes. She's using the brake now. Going down the hill, yes, it's a good test of the brakes. Both brakes worked very, very well. I believe they're hydraulic. I'll leave a link in the description box for a discount code that's good for like 7 days after I post this. I'll leave all the pricing information in the description box. So make sure you check out the description box. Here she comes. You're doing well, honey. So this spot here in the new neighborhood, a good little test of the Mokwheel Slate. As she's coming back, there's one thing I keep forgetting to mention. The pedals, they fold too should you need them to fold. I really haven't needed that, but they do fold. Should that help you get it in your vehicle? Nicely done. Park it right there.
In the shade.
What do you think?
Oh, fun. Oh my gosh.
What do you think about that slate?
Oh, it's great. Such a
The slate is great?
Yes.
You're rhyming.
It handles really, really well.
Yeah.
I was shocked at how well it handled, because some of that's really, really rough.
Yes.
Way different terrain.
Well, you get rough, you get loose, you get mud. The mud's really slippery.
Yes, and the sand.
Yeah, sand over this way.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah.
So no, we put it through its paces and it did really good.
All right. And Nikki, by far, Mokwheel is your favorite brand of e-bike.
Yeah, I would have to say by far.
You already have the Escoria.
Yes, and it's a whole different class.
Yeah.
Of e-bikes.
Let me get another shot of it.
It's a beautiful bike.
I told everyone, I keep forgetting, Nikki, but the pedals fold too.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
There you go.
Wow, there you go. And I think that's a nice ending shot right there. Don't forget to check out the description box. And as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Adventure is out there.
You'll find it on a Mokwheel.